Mindfulness is hard for most people, but if you make it effortless by listening to the sounds in the room around you right now, and just seeing what's in your peripheral vision without moving your eyes, noticing how you can see the whole field of vision without moving your eyes, and hearing the sounds in the room at the same time as you see everything. And you feel the energy buzzing in your hands and fingers without thinking, just noticing how you can feel that buzzing, tingling sensation. You'll notice you can feel that energy in your hands and see what's in the field of vision and hear the sounds without thinking. And just stay locked in, turn up the volume on the details of the sounds, everything you see, the energy in your hands and fingers. And see if you can stay super relaxed as you stay super focused on hands, vision, sounds. Feel how it all starts to become one flow of sensory detail, hands, vision, sounds. And take a deep breath in, relax, notice any shift in your relaxation or how you feel, your focus. Practice meditation on a daily basis if you found that easy. You can drop into this state with ease.